Can you tell us how many dogs now, like,
We've
and which animal?
We've got 16 dogs and we've got 3 cats. We've got 9 long-term dogs. The other dogs will all be going back to the street. Because what we do, we're an animal hospital, not a shelter. We bring them in, we fix them, and then we put them back. And occasionally, if they're not from an area where people are generally feeding them or looking after them, they're semi-owned, we'll make a judgment call as to whether we'll add it to the long-term number to be adopted. So we've got one here, the one with no hair that you saw, all black. We're not going to put him back because he needs a home.
His condition is not safe. He's not ready. But how many cases you usually have, like a day? To do this, to do that? Because I know you're running all around all the time.
Yeah, it's difficult to say. Like, you tend to get really busy days and then kind of quiet days. So it's so hard to say. Some people come in, we just give them medicine and then they go. So we treat them. Some have to be admitted. Some are for sterilization. So there's all sorts of things coming in. It's really difficult to give a number. However, last year we did over 300 sterilizations. There was a visitor here late last year who came 5 years ago, and she said she could notice the difference in the number of animals on the street.
I come here
you don't really
16
see
years, I can see the difference.
So between us and another charity, and Soy Dog also came down and sterilized 1,700 animals. So, you know, we're working on it, and currently we've got a dog, Honda, who was in front of the food bag. He needs a metal plate and he needs a tail amputation. The operation is costing 23,000 baht. However, we've also got to get somebody to take it over there. They're going to have to stay in accommodation and come back, and transportation and the ferry costs and everything. So it's actually going to cost about 27,000 baht. We put a post out yesterday. We've raised 21,000 so far. So what we do is we work it for what we need. So if we don't raise any more money for that, 6,000 of this will go towards Honda. If we get the rest, then we basically put it towards what we need, whether it's the bills, whether it's the food, whether it's vet medicine. We can only sterilize males here because we don't have a vet, but our head nurse is amazing. She can do male cats and dogs. But females, we have to get done at the vet, and they give us a discount.
Oh, really? Yeah.
So we get vet bills every month for sterilizations and for medicines and other operations. So it will probably go to bills as well. But it's whatever we need, we just put it all in the safe, and then we spend it how we see fit to make sure all our bills are paid, that everything's done on time, including staffing costs as well. But without, people here, nobody could help the animals. So. No, but that's amazing, honestly. This is absolutely amazing. It's going to help us out so much.